Hey guys, habari yenu? That's how we say how are you doing in Swahili. Today's video is gonna be about how I do my mini braids, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna divide my hair into sections, and I'm gonna do this throughout my head because when I start braiding, I just want to do it all the way without having to stop and like section my hair again. So that's exactly what you're gonna do. I think I'm gonna section in the middle first. I feel like it's easier to do this in front of a mirror, but I guess the camera is gonna be my mirror. I don't really pay attention to the back. Well, that's in God's hands. I'm just gonna try and figure out what size of braids I want. I don't want them to be too thick or too thin. I just want like medium size. I hate doing this. If only I could have someone just do this sectioning part and then I can do the braiding. Ooh, I'll feel so good. And then I'm just gonna use hair ties to tie up each section. So I just got done sectioning, as you can see. Ooh, here we go. And the back is also sectioned. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding. So I'm just gonna start with the front, and as I said, I don't want them to be too thick and neither do I want them to be too thin. Here goes something. I'm gonna put some gel at the roots just to make them neat. Like that. And then I'm just gonna comb out that section. And I think it's ready to be braided. And then towards the end, I'm just gonna twist them. Gonna move to the next one. I'll put some gel. Then I'll just try and comb it. I need to get a different colored chair because this is black, I'm black, my hair is black. I don't know if you guys can see anything. I think I have a problem. I've only done 3 braids and I'm already tired and hungry, so. Oh, this is good. So I kind of want them to look full, and how I'm gonna do that is, for this next section, I'm gonna divide it on top of the lower section. I'm just gonna do that and then it's gonna make sense. So something like that. That line is like on top of this lower one. Yeah. That way they're gonna be like on top of each other. I don't know if it makes sense. You guys will just see how it's gonna look like when I'm done. I'm really bad at explaining stuff. Perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I want
meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life.
Okay guys, I am done. That's what it looks like from the side, and that's what it looks like from this side. Let me know, how did they turn out, and is this something you want to try sometime? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, any suggestions, and literally anything, just let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I love to put my hair in a ponytail, so that's exactly how I'm gonna wear this style, in a ponytail. Ponytail. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Yay! Bye guys. Thank you so much again.